Hey guys, happy Sunday. We got a new kit to look at. This is the ertl u.s.s Enterprise B from Star Trek Generations. Here's the side of the box. There's this side, dated 1995. Let's take a look. Here's our saucer section. There's the top. There's the bottom. It's one of our nacelles. Here's our other nacelle. Here's our clear parts. Here's the other part of the nacelle assembly. These parts, I assume, go back here. Here's our base. Looks like a communicator. It says Star Trek Generations. There's our shuttle bay. That goes here's the bottom of the ship. Here's our shuttle bay, goes in here like so, like that. Here's the top of the ship. Some more clear parts for the nacelle. Another clear part. Here's some more of the, assume this goes on the back of the saucer section. Couple more clear parts for the engine. Some more parts for the ship. Here's our decals, which are pretty yellow. I might have to find replacements for it. Here's our flyer for the Star Trek fan club. Our blueprinter deal. Here's our instructions. And then it came with this really cool poster. It gives you a good detail of what the ship looks like. Which is pretty cool. Can't wait to build this, but I'm going to be working on one of my alien kits. I'm also entered in a snap together group build that I got to do this month, so I'll be doing that. There's another look at the poster, which is really nice because it shows you where the decals go. It tells you what colors to paint everything, which is very cool. So yeah. That is pretty much it. This is going to go together like that. And then this sits down in here. Like that. And then our saucer will mount there. Kind of like so, like that. That's how it's going to mount. Same thing, our nacelles will mount. Like so. Like that. Basically. Pretty cool kit for what it is. I almost feel like it's missing part of the nacelle. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just the way it looks. But it just kind of seems like it's missing something. Oh, I see, the two small parts go together and then the clear one on top. Alright, that makes more sense. It's hard to tell by the box art. There we go, 1995. EMT ertl u.s.s Enterprise B. You guys all have a great day. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe, and hopefully I earned your like on this video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your Sunday.